Yo, what's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jazz. Bae's over there getting a sandwich. We're gonna take you guys along with us this weekend. We got a couple things planned. Right now we're at Publix. We're about to head to the beach, so we had to get our snacks, had to get our drinks, our fuel, some ice for the cooler. If you're from Florida, you know about Publix. I'm not sure what else. I don't even know how many other areas, what other states have Publixes, but Publix is the shit. But yeah, we're getting our. Hey, what's good? Hey, let's go. Love it, love it. Yeah, we're about to check out, about to get us some ice and head to the beach, so stay tuned. Let's go.
I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, walking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low.
All right, so we just getting to the beach. Parking was crazy, of course. It's high tide today, so the waves are crazy, and it's a little windy out, so hopefully you guys can hear us. But yeah, great to enjoy. Nice, hot, sunny Florida. We'll get some good B-roll for you guys. I'm trying to find it. It's a good family day. Let me just show you guys a little bit.
I just wanna take you out and show you all. You already know that you're the perfect one. Take you out and show you all. You already know that you're the perfect one. I just wanna take you out and show you all.
It's kind of unsafe to, whoa, this water's cold. It's unsafe to swim, to get inside, actually go swimming. It's 72 degrees for water temperature, and the actual temperature outside when you're outside the water is 85 degrees. So they have no swimming warning signs, and also the tide is super high. But as you stand here, you kind of get used to it. But people are actually swimming. It's not for me. My glass is not ugly, but it's a beautiful day. We're just enjoying it, a little family beach day. So, yeah, how you feeling, baby?
Good.
You look good. I like your curls.
I feel very clean.
You feel. I like it. I love
Not
it.
cute at all.
I love it. But yeah, we're just getting our feet wet because that's about as all as I'm gonna do right now. So, yeah, let me show you the tides. Look how high the tides are. Super choppy. Ooh, that water's cold. Oh, that water's cold. Woo-hoo. Yeah, we're gonna stay here, chill out a little bit. Hopefully you guys can hear us with the wind. But yeah.
Jazz, catch! That's Derwin Davis. And that's Melanie.
It's a lot of food. For one person, it's a lot of food.
Well, we came here within the first few months, right?
Wow.
About shopping?
Yeah, came in June.
Yeah, our first date was at Justin Timberlake's restaurant. That was. You looking at it before.
Oh, oh, that's so spicy.
That's it.
That sounds like a
It does.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my first love, hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna deep. Deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my feet, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I wanna play in your deep, deep, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my first love, hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, and rock right up to the side of.
All right, y'all. So we just made it in the house.
What's up, JC gang?
Crazy weekend.
It was a fun weekend.
It was fun. Great family time. A lot of chill time. Not a lot of sleep. A lot of alcohol. Good food.
Good food.
Yeah.
Shout out to my cousin. Happy birthday,
Hey,
Kenya.
That's right. Happy birthday. We enjoyed ourselves. How you feeling, baby?
I feel good. I'm ready to take this makeup off and go to bed, y'all. Look at my hair. How
Those
y'all
curls
like
are
my
popping.
hair?
I love her natural hair.
Okay.
She look good. It's been a long weekend, like we said, but we're about to end this vlog. We appreciate you guys. It's our first time doing kind of like a weekend vlog, so we'll see how that goes. If you guys are feeling it, please leave some comments down below. Leave some love down below. But yeah, about to hit
Yes,
hit the shower, lay down. I got work tomorrow. Bae it's her first day of one of her classes tomorrow, so spring break is over. How you feeling about that?
I'm ready. I'm ready for it. And shout out to all of our new subscribers. We see you.
A lot of
Welcome
love,
to
yeah.
the JT gang. We appreciate you.
Let's go.
And we hope to share more videos with you guys. I mean,
Right, I just put out a dread video. 10-year lock anniversary is tomorrow, March 7th. So, yeah, all is well. We appreciate you guys. Continue to support us. Ooh, kissy face.
I want to lay on her so bad, but she got a white shirt on. She'll kill me.
Yeah, well, we about to change, take a shower, and go to sleep. All right, guys, so we got this vlog. I hope you guys have an awesome week. And until next time, guys, peace.